Introducing the Neo QLED 8K. Until now, the previous LEDs needed huge lenses for light dispersion and packaging for protection. But the Quantum Mini LED is finally packaging and lens-free. An astounding 1/40th of the size of conventional LEDs, Quantum Mini LED is, literally, smaller than a grain of sand. Their innovative size allows Quantum Mini LEDs to form high-density light panels. The more finely packed Neo QLED 8K consists of 33 times more LEDs than in conventional TVs. Then, we have the quantum matrix technology. Whereas conventional TV panels are highly limited in expressing images precisely or accurately. Equipped with quantum matrix technology, the Neo QLED 8K maneuvers its densely packed LED lights in a much more precise manner. This results in heightened contrast between the light and dark areas. With Quantum Mini LEDs forming the sleek Infinity One design, our TVs have become slimmer yet brighter than ever before. Whereas conventional LED TVs disperse their light, which decreases contrast, Neo QLED 8K emits light straight forward to show bright and accurate pictures. Neo QLED 8K takes the power conserved in dark areas and concentrates it in light areas to emit a level contrast over 5 times the brightness of conventional TVs. But beyond just brightness, the contrast, which was previously 1024 levels in 10-bit, has been raised 4 times to 4096 levels in 12-bit, resulting in much more vivid pictures and clear details in both light and dark areas. In addition, quantum dot materials have been used for more realistic and vivid color expression. But many previously developed quantum dot solutions were based on materials that involve cadmium, which is harmful to our health and the environment. So, in 2015, Samsung invented cadmium-free quantum dot materials, thereby realizing high-performance quantum dot technology. The light from Quantum Mini LEDs is transformed into 1 billion true shades, which translates to 100% color volume, bringing you color expression that equates with what we see with our own eyes. Each color is expressed with outstanding clarity to create pristine pictures that truly jump alive. Samsung, with industry-leading semiconductor technology, created the Neo Quantum Processor 8K. As the resolution increases, the graphics processing speed also needs to increase to match the amount of data to be processed, creating 8K resolution pictures with enhanced processing performance to handle over 4 times the data compared to 4K. Neo Quantum Processor 8K's AI technology, which incorporates 16 neural networks, guarantees exceptional picture quality and sound for the content you're watching. Taking a quantum leap forward to the Neo Vision with our 1/40th of the size, 33 times more LEDs in the Quantum Mini LED, the 4096 contrast steps of the quantum matrix technology, and the reinforced intelligence of 16 neural networks at work on the Neo Quantum Processor 8K. Greatness never ends, but evolves.